Good morning, departure VisionJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey everybody, hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for watching the video today. Just a short video today. As you can see, I finally got the airplane moved over to the hangar in John Toon, or the John C. Toon Airport here in Nashville. It's a good feeling having it in its new hangar. And thank you guys so much for watching the channel. Thanks for the support. I just want to do a quick walk around video and show you what's in this hangar. And it's nothing special, of course, but it does do its job here. And here are some of the highlights. It's a nice day here in Nashville. The wind's calmed down finally. We're starting to get some of the fall colors. Fall in this part of the state generally lasts only a few weeks at the longest, and then next thing you know, we're into winter. But in any case, we're here at the hangar, here at John C. Toon Airport. The airport's got some funky parking rules where they don't want any vehicles parked outside the hangar, partly because there's not a lot of space in between the hangar rows. But yesterday, in fact, I was here sweeping out the hangar, so my car was parked outside the hangar, and somebody from the airport authority came by and took a picture of my car and emailed it to me. We've got the SF-50 VisionJet 379 Juliet Mike, also known as Good Karma Airlines, in the hangar today. And we finally got it in this morning, and I spent the last few hours giving it a quick detail, wax and vacuuming the inside out and getting it ready for the next flight. Although I don't know exactly when that will be, we're ready just the same. So it's again an SF-50 VisionJet. This is a Generation 1 VisionJet, which means it was one of the early ones that was made originally in 2018. Since then, I've had some Generation 2 upgrades done to it, where I've got the G2 soundproofing, G2 wing, and also G2 carpet is installed in this airplane. The engine performance for the Generation 1, 2, and 2 Plus are pretty much the same. They each use a Williams International FJ33-5A medium bypass turbofan engine capable of about 1,846 pounds of thrust at sea level. They all have that feature, and they all pretty much have the same engine. There are some differences, of course, in that the Generation 2 jets have auto throttle, and the Generation 2 Plus jet has auto throttle plus 20% more takeoff thrust or so for the first couple minutes of takeoff. After that, the engine performance is about the same. So again, this aircraft was originally ordered as a custom, what they call an XI. It was originally ordered with custom paint and custom interior. I don't know about you, but I really love the stitching on the seats. The original owner did a very nice job at picking this out, and then subsequently ordered 2 more just like it. He currently owns 2 VisionJets that are very similar in appearance to this one, and I happen to fly one of them on occasion for him and with him. But this is the SF-50 VisionJet 379 Juliet Mike that you see a lot in the videos. So I spent some time detailing it today, put a little wax on the airplane, and got everything pretty well situated in the hangar. I don't often have the occasion to show you guys a walk around, so today's a perfect opportunity. I hope you don't mind me taking advantage of the situation here. These are nice covers for the static ports. There are a total of 4 static ports, 2 on each side. These are nice, and they're actually not really adhesive or magnetic, so they work on composite airplanes. This material's got some sort of micro suction cup or something, so it allows it to stick to the surface of the aircraft. It's pretty neat. I'll put a link in the description as to where those can be purchased if you're interested. Again, a close-up of the rudder vader, which is a combination of the horizontal stabilizer and the rudder. Hey everybody, I thought I'd just take a quick opportunity to show you some of the products that I use frequently on the airplane to keep it clean and looking sharp. The first, of course, is Turtle Wax and Dry formula. It's a spray formula. It's really good at kind of as a final detail step after you've washed the plane and you're about to dry it, for example. You can use this as a drying agent, which works really good. It's Wax and Dry by Turtle Wax. You can get it on Amazon.com or at Walmart or any auto parts store for about $7 or $8 a bottle. Works really good. The other stuff is from fastwax.com. It's the FW1 formula for air and sea, used for airplanes and boats. It's a waterless wash and wax combination using carnauba wax. Works really well, and it's sort of a two-step. So you spray it on, a little bit goes a long way, and then you just wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. Does a nice job as being a waterless wash and wax formula. So that's fastwax.com, air and sea formula for FW1. I think it's about $18 for that spray bottle, if I'm not mistaken. I did a giveaway a year or so ago where I gave away 6 bottles of this stuff to some of the viewers of the channel. But I haven't yet since been able to get a resupply from fastwax.com, so I don't have any more of those to give away. The other thing is nice to use is the Plain Perfect Eyes Outside formula. Comes in a 1 gallon, well, I guess it's a bottle, and I think the bottle's about $18. It's used to keep your windshield and like plexiglass or any glass surfaces clean and streak free. That's Plain Perfect Eyes Outside, FW1, fastwax.com, air and sea formula, and then the Turtle Wax and Dry formula. All of those are commercially available. I think you can get them all on Amazon.com through your local suppliers. In any case, thanks for watching the video. I hope this has been helpful for you. And again, we'll sign off for now from John C. Toon Airport in Nashville. And thank you guys for watching.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.